students. Today I have come up with an example that is regarding fitting a straight line. Fit a straight line to the following data considering y as the independent variable. The values of x and y are given. Okay. So let us start. Let the best fitting line be y equals to a plus b of x bx. Okay, this is the best fitting line. I'll just give this as equation 1. Okay, now the normal equation for a and b are summation of y equals to n of a plus b into summation of x. Summation of xy equals to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square. So these are the equations. So we'll just rename this as equation 2 and this as equation 3. Okay. Now we have to create various calculations we have to do, and for that the various calculations will show it in a tabular form. So the tabular form can be what should be the values: x, y, xy and x square. So the values of x, we know the values of x, that is already given: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The values of x, the values of y is also given: 5, 7, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Now we have to calculate xy. Xy, that is 1 into 5, that is 5, 2 into 7, that is 14, 7 into 3, 27, 4 into 10, 40 and 5 into 11, 55. X square, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. Okay. So summation of x, addition of this, that is 15, summation of y, that is 42, summation of xy equals to 141, summation of x square equals to summation of x square is equals to 55. Okay. So we have formed a table. Now we have to calculate further values. We have to find the best fitting line for y. I'll erase this, all this, and we'll start. Okay. So hence n is equals to 5. Now what is n? N is the number of values for x, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so put this values in equation 2 and 3. Okay, we have obtained the values of summation of x, summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x square. So we need to put this into equation 2 and 3. So we get 42 equals to 5a plus 15b, okay, or you can write it as 5a plus 15b equals to 42. Okay, the second one, that is 141, and we'll rename this as equation 4. (141) is equals to 5a plus 55b or we can write it as 5a plus 55b is equals to 141, and this I am renaming it as equation 5. So solve equation 4 and 5 simultaneously for a and b. Solve equation 4 and 5 simultaneously for a and b. Okay, so we have to solve this equation 4 and 5 simultaneously and for a and b. So after that you get the value of a, that is 3.9, and b is equals to 1.5. okay, and put in equation 1. Okay, we need to put this in equation 1. So hence the line for best fit is y equals to, equation 1 is y is equals to a plus bx. We need to put the values of a and b, that is value of a, that is 3.9 plus b, that is 1.5, and x. Okay, so this is your line of best fit. Okay, hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.